Today I'm recording video in Apple Log and OpenGate using the Blackmagic camera app. Now, Blackmagic released an update a few days ago in the version 3.2, and if you watch my channel in the previous video, one of my previous video where I talked about the update version 3.1 of the Blackmagic camera app, we said that Blackmagic camera app would not support recording OpenGate in Apple Log on the iPhone 15 unless if you had the iPhone 17. But I'm here to tell you that now with the new update of version 3.2, you can record OpenGate in Apple Log. And in today's video, that's not the only thing I'm going to be talking about. There is also something else about live stream. In version 3.1, we had live streaming function in the Blackmagic camera app, but that function right there was not usable. But in the version 3.2, you can now live stream from the Blackmagic camera app, and that is insane. You can stream either on YouTube, Vimeo, or Twitch. And I hope that in a newer update, we also have Facebook and TikTok or even Instagram supported for live streaming from the Blackmagic camera app. Now, the benefit of using the Blackmagic camera app for streaming is that you have total control over your camera settings. Unlike if you were using the native camera app, you wouldn't have control over your shutter speed, your white balance, and all that kind of stuff. For example, if you wanted to stream from your iPhone or your Android, you would have to go to the YouTube app and start your live stream, and then by default, you would enable the app to access your camera. And of course, through that, you wouldn't have control over all those camera settings. But now, if you live stream through the Blackmagic camera app, you're going to have total control. Enough of the rambling, let's get into the app and how to set up live streaming on YouTube using the Blackmagic camera app in version 3.2. But before you begin live streaming, I want you to prepare your handset. So you want to download Google Chrome onto your handset. You go to settings and then request the desktop view so that your Google Chrome kind of mirrors desktop version. Log into your YouTube channel. You want to go to Studio, and Google Chrome is going to prompt you to either go to the YouTube Studio app or stay within the browser. So you want to select stay within the browser or continue to Studio. So you continue to Studio and then you go to create, go live. That is where you create your live stream. So once your live stream has started, you want to make sure you have a good title in mind, edit the title. And once that happens, is your live stream will be live, but without any video feed because we haven't yet selected the camera. Now you'll fire up the Blackmagic camera app. You go into your camera settings, make sure you select the best lens that you want to use, set your frame rate. I would recommend 30 frames per second. 60 is good, but 60 is more tasking for your handset. It's also tasking for the YouTube algorithm to process. So you want 30 frames per second. Set your shutter speed to 1/60th of a second, that is if you're shooting at 30 frames per second, or just simply set it at 180-degree shutter angle. You also want to set your ISO, your white balance, just like as if you were going to shoot a video. So once you have everything set up, you now go to live stream in the settings of the Blackmagic camera app, select YouTube. Once you select YouTube, you're going to be asked to enter the key. This is where you go back to your live stream in the Google Chrome app. You copy the key. That key there is a secret code. You don't have to share that with the public, because if you do, somebody can easily go live from your YouTube channel. You don't want to do that. So you want to copy that and come back to the Blackmagic camera app, paste that key into the enter key section, hit set. Once you enter the key, the live stream button will be functional. Just toggle that on. It will be blue. And once you're done, voila, your live stream will be live. It's that simple. It's simple said than done, because you run into challenges. But if you do, just uninstall the Google Chrome app and then reinstall it, because I figured out in my own experience that is what worked. Isn't that amazing that you can live stream using the Blackmagic camera app and control all your camera settings with the same app? One other thing I discovered, that you can actually go through the Blackmagic camera app settings and your stream will continue being live. I must tell you, don't record in log, because if you live stream in log, your video is going to appear flat. Even if you apply the LUT, it's not going to reflect on your live stream. So you want to record in Rec 709 or Rec 2020. Another additional feature that Blackmagic does when you are live streaming from the app is you can hit record while live streaming, and that video will be recorded to your handset. So you have your live stream and you also have a video for you to later on maybe edit or cut out without the need of going to your finished live stream, download it, and then begin chopping it up into clips that you really want. You can record your live stream onto your phone, but that depends on how much memory capacity you have on your handset. If you have an external drive attached to your handset, then that would be handy. But if you do not have that, then I would recommend that you just go live and later on download your live stream and chop it up into smaller clips for YouTube or shorts, whatever that you want to repurpose your live stream videos for. So for me, yeah, that is what I really wanted to share with you guys. If you found value in the video, hit like, share, and subscribe. But before I go,